How to fix screen mirroring not working on iPhone. Screen mirroring is a great feature on the iPhone that allows you to display your iPhone screen on a TV, monitor, or any compatible device. But sometimes it does not work as expected. If you are facing issues with screen mirroring, don't worry. Here are some quick and easy solutions to get it working again. Before anything else, make sure that your TV or other device supports screen mirroring, also known as UrPlay. Most modern smart TVs have UrPlay built in. But if yours does not, you might need an Apple TV or another UrPlay compatible device. For screen mirroring to work, both your iPhone and the device you want to mirror to must be connected to the same Wi Fi network. On your iPhone, go to Settings, navigate to Wi Fi, and check the network. On your TV or other device, navigate to the network settings and ensure it's on the same Wi Fi network as your iPhone. Once you ensure both devices are on the same Wi Fi network, restart both devices. Restart your iPhone by holding the side button and either volume button until the power off slider appears. Turn it off and then power it back on after 30 seconds. Restart your TV or the UrPlay compatible device by unplugging it about 10 seconds, then plugging it back in. Disable Bluetooth. Open your control center, then click on the Bluetooth icon and make sure it is disabled. Ensure both devices are up to date. An outdated iOS version or outdated software on your TV or your Play device could be causing compatibility issues. Make sure both devices are running the latest versions. For your iPhone, go to Settings, navigate to the option General, click on Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your phone software to its latest version. Likewise, on your TV or your Play compatible device, check the manufacturer's website or settings for software updates. If none of these solutions work, what you can do is reset network settings. For that, navigate to the settings, head over to the general, scroll all the way down, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset network settings and go through the process. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. This way you can easily fix screen mirroring not working on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.